Hi everyone, this is Taylor from Tailored Data. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add Google Analytics to your Google Tag Manager account. The first thing we'll need to do is add a new Google Analytics tag to our workspace. Next, we'll click into the tag configuration section and choose Google Analytics Universal Analytics tag. We'll keep the track type to page view because we want to track page views in this instance. Next, we'll create a new Google Analytics settings variable. The value of the variable is your GA tracking ID that you can find in your GA account. So I'm going to go into my Google Analytics account, click into the admin section, go under Property Settings, and copy the tracking ID. Then I'll simply paste it here. I'll keep the cookie domain setting as auto, which will be the case for most websites. Now we'll need to name our variable. I like to stick to the tracking ID. And then click Save. Next, we'll need to add a trigger. In this case, it'll be all pages because I want Google Analytics to fire every time a user views a new page. Once I've selected that, I'm just going to name the tag. So I've identified the tool, GA, the track type, which is page view, and the trigger, all pages. And now I'll click Save. So now you can see that I have the Google Analytics tag and the Google Analytics settings variable created. I'm going to go into my website to validate that the tag is firing as expected. So to do that, I'm going to go into Preview, which will enable Google Tag Manager's native debugger, and then refresh my website. Perfect. So as expected, my Google Analytics tag is firing. The track type is page view, as I set, and the Google Analytics settings variable is my tracking ID. So everything's working as expected. Now we'll just need to publish the tag. So before I hit publish, I'm going to add a version name and a description. I like to include initials so that I know in the future who made what changes. Now that I've added the version name and description, I'm going to click Publish. Now once I hit Publish, that means that the tag is live on my website. So to make sure that it's actually working in GA, I am going to refresh my website and I'm going to go into my Google Analytics account and look at the real-time data. I'm expecting to see one user, which I am, the home page, which was the page that I was on, and I'm hoping this will say Dallas, which is my location. Perfect. Everything's working as expected. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on my latest content. Until next time.